So this project, Aurelium, has been making some boosts on YouTube, on Instagram. So I decided to make my own review about this project, okay? Because some of my subscribers have been asking me of my thoughts about Aurelium. I went to YouTube and I see a whole lot of videos about this project. Now, you and I know that we are not new to this kind of a project. This is a high return on investment kind of a project, okay? You can see the percentage here, 3.3%, 5%, 150%. Now, this project is very high catching, like it's very tempting for you to jump on it, right? All this, I'm going to be telling you what I think about this project in the course of this video. Now, my name is Thompson. If this is your first time of watching my video, I will encourage you to give this video a thumbs up if you feel it's what you like. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I will encourage you to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? So let's get started with this project. Now, like I rightly told you, the project is a high yield, high risk kind of project. We've seen projects like this in the past, and for that reason, I'm very being careful as a person in project I jump in. When I jump into these projects, because in the past I've seen my fingers burnt, seen the fingers of my subscribers burnt, okay, in this kind of a project. People have lost a whole lot of money, okay? The recent one being cut. So I'm going to be talking about this project in a sense. Now, who are the people behind this project? You can see the team of Aurelium, okay? Now, this is the CEO. What's that her name? Her name is called Michaela Lewens, right? This is the lady. This is the CEO. If you scroll down here, you're going to see their office. You can see their office. They claim this is their office. And this is some of the officials of Aurelium. Okay. Now, this project, like I rightly told you, is a project that you have to pay attention to. Do your research about the project before you jump on this kind of a project, okay? What is Aurelium? You say Aurelium Capital Limited is a company founded by Michaela Lewens in 2023. We are a new company, but with great potential. The company has capital of 50 million pounds. By investing with us, you can trade forex and crypto with leverage up to 1 to 100 without any risk or trading knowledge. In addition, the company invests in promising startups, real estate, and anything else that can make money. See, this is another thing you should look. Anything else. If you're a company that is straightforward into business, you can't just invest in anything else that makes money. Okay. Now, this is it. These guys, their core area of making money, they say, is crypto and forex. Okay, this is the same story that most of all those companies that robbed us of our money keep telling us. They trade crypto. And see, let me be sincere with you, there's no way you trade crypto and you'll be able to pay 3.3% or 5% daily to anybody that is called your investors. Okay, you cannot pay 150% in 15 days to anybody that is your investor. It's not possible. Okay. Now, you're going to be knowing a company that is genuine, that truly trade forex and crypto, okay, that takes in investors. They can tell you they pay up to, okay, a certain amount of money, not a static kind of return on investment like this. Okay, it's very risky, right? Now, what I'm saying is not a financial advice, okay? You can decide to jump on this, okay? But I'm just going to be open to you and tell you based on the experiences we've had in the past, okay? Now, this kind of a project, you're going to be making a whole lot of money from this kind of a project if you jumped in early, okay? That is the game of this kind of a project. If you jumped in early, I'm going to be showing you something here. I think the project started about 23 days ago, right? You can see here, you see the project has been running. You can see here for the past 23 days, okay? So today now, if you'll be jumping into this project, you'll be taking a very high risk, okay, joining this kind of a project. Like I rightly said, this kind of a project, people who come in early actually will make money from this kind of a project, okay? So if you are coming here on the 23rd day of this project, Aurelium running already, well, the risk is on you, okay? You can decide to give it a try. And also, if you come here, okay, Let me go to the investment plan first. Okay. So if you come in here now, you can see you can start with $100. Yeah. If you're starting with $100, you're going to be earning 3.3% every day. Okay. And you're going to earn this for 33 days. Okay. Here now, if you and you the maximum you can put in here is actually $50,000. Okay. They say your capital is insured. Now, the second one, you're going to be earning 5% daily for 25 days. Okay. Now, you can start this one with $1,000 and the maximum is $50,000. The third one, which is the third one, they actually have 6 packages. Okay. You can see the third one. The third one is you earn 150% in 15 days, right? So your money will be locked in for 15 days. Then you're going to earn this 150% out of this. And the highest is $50,000. Okay. Now here you're going to be earning 200% for 10 days. And the minimum you can put into this particular package is $2,000, right? Then here the fifth package, you're going to be earning 2000 you're going to be earning 225% in 7 days. And the lowest, the minimum you can put into this particular one is $2,500. Okay. The maximum is $50,000. Then the sixth package, which is the highest one, you're going to be earning 300% in 5 days, after 5 days. And the highest you can put into here is the minimum you can put into this one is actually $5,000. Okay. So now, if you are lucky, if within five days you put in $5,000 here, after 5 days, you're going to be getting 300% of this. Okay. That is times 3 of this. So imagine a whole lot of money you're going to be making here. So let's make use of this calculator. Let's assume you come here, you choose the six package. Okay. And you put in $5,000, you can see you'll be making $15,000 at the end or after 5 days, right? So you can come down here and play with the calculator, choose any of the package you want to do. Okay. Then you put in the amount here. Are you going to see what is going to be your total take at the end of the day here? Okay. So the project actually looks very interesting and very catchy. Okay. But at the same time, we have to trade with caution. Okay. Because I've heard a whole lot of guys saying the team is dogs. The team is dogs. If you remember on cats, the CMO was actually showing her face, going about making a whole lot of interviews, making YouTube videos. But at the end of the day, when the project actually rocked, nothing happened. Like she's still very free walking around, nothing happened. Now, this is the CEO and some of our team. And if you also scroll down here, let me show you something here. You can see these are these guys. You can see this one. It say it came in with he deposited $12,500. Okay. You can see this one. He deposited $7,500. They actually made video testimonies about this project. You can see now. Don't take this one seriously. Don't take this guy seriously, because if you go to Fiverr, if you go to Upwork, if you have project like this, you go to Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, you can actually pay guys like this, and they can make video testimonial videos for you like this. Okay. So don't take these ones, don't take these testimonials seriously. Okay. They actually made some videos. If you go to YouTube, I think they have some of those videos on YouTube. Okay, here, these are some of the videos. So if you click on this now, you can actually watch the video. If you click on this, you can watch the video as well. Okay. Let's click on this and listen to the video. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video because my internet seems to be a bit slow, right? So I'm just going to pause the video. But what I'm trying to tell in essence is that if you want to make your judgment whether you want to join this project or not, don't join based on these testimonials. All these testimonials are not something you should take very important. Okay. Now, this project is not audited. Like if you want to see the audit of this project, they don't have anything like audit here. Okay. I've heard some people say the team is docs. But I don't want to believe that they are truly docs, because there's nothing to show us that the team is actually truly docs. Okay. Now, if you decide you want to jump on this project, you can come down here and choose any of those package. Okay. You're going to register first and foremost with the project, right? You're going to register. If you want the link, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of the video. The first link in the description of the video is going to be the link to Aurelium. Okay. So you can decide to sign up on Aurelium. And when you come down here, you're going to come up where you're going to come to this left-hand side and come down to deposit. Now, when you click on deposit, it's going to bring you to this packages interface here. So you're going to choose any of the packages you want. Assuming you want to do this one of $1,000, you're going to click on this select plan. Okay, you're going to click on this select plan here. Then it's going to bring you here. Now they have different mode of payment. You can see ePay, BTC, Litecoin, Dash, Doge, USDT. Okay, then you're going to put in the amount of money you want to invest into the project down here. Okay, let's assume you want to put in 1,000. This is 1,000. Then you're going to choose the cryptocurrency you want to pay with. Let's assume you want to pay with USDT. You're going to click on USDT here. I'm going to click on send here. Okay, so you're going to bring you here. So from here now, you're going to click on proceed. Okay, then it's going to give you a wallet address where you're going to pay, sending the money to through coin payment. Okay, if you follow that process, it's going to take you through how you're going to be making your payment into the project, and you start earning those percentage that are written down there. Okay, so you can do your own due diligence about the project. Okay, and if you find it worthy of you putting your money into it, then you go ahead and put in your money. But bear it in mind that this is a very high risk, high return kind of a project, and anything can go wrong at any time. Okay, I want to believe you actually got value from this video. Now, if you got value from this video, do remember to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, there's something I want to actually talk to you about. This contract, I thought probably they are going to be showing their contract, but when I click on it, nothing came up. Okay, I click on it and the contract did not show up. So just make your due diligence about the project and see if it's something that worth your planning or not. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.